In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide your navigation bar on your Samsung mobile phone. Simple and easy. So now let's do that. So we move to our settings. Good. So on our settings, we are just going to scroll to the bottom and we should see display. Tap on display. Good. On the display section, just scroll to the bottom once again and you should see navigation bar. So just tap on the navigation bar here. And you should see buttons, which is the ones you see at the bottom, and swipe gestures. That's going to look like an iPhone. So let me tap on that. Good. And now let me come back. And the navigation, you can see it vanishes. It looks like an iPhone, so I'll have to be swiping the screen like that to, navigate to any section of the screen I want on my Samsung. So that's it. So you swipe down like this to home. So that's it on how you turn off or you hide the navigation bar on your Samsung mobile phone. I have a lot of tutorials on Samsung on my channel. You can check them out. So that's it for the video. Peace.